Why did I say Sarawak disappear from 1969 to 2012? Under state laws, Sarawak means the state of Sarawak, and includes Sarawak waters, and Sarawak waters, or waters of the state, means all waters whether navigable or not included within Sarawak and shall be deemed to include territorial waters. These territorial waters are part of Sarawak itself, which was defined under the state laws as territorial waters, means such part of the sea adjacent to the coast of Sarawak as is deemed by international law to constitute the territorial waters of Sarawak. These territorial waters, which is part of Sarawak, was physically defined as the territory of Sarawak being defined as the territory of the state, means all areas within the boundaries of the state which comprised the territory of Sarawak immediately before Malaysia Day, and includes, by virtue of the Sarawak Alteration of Boundaries, Order in Council, 1954, Volume 6, page 1025, the continental shelf being the seabed and its subsoil which lies beneath the high seas contiguous to the territorial waters of Sarawak. Since the promulgation of emergency law in 1969, Sarawak territorial waters has been taken by federal government. Consequently, without our territorial waters, Sarawak existence as defined in the state laws doesn't exist anymore. Because Sarawak means the state of Sarawak and includes Sarawak waters. If Sarawak doesn't exist, so do Sarawak government. This is the real reason the federal government can't pay special grant to Sarawak since 1969. Simply because Sarawak defined under the law just doesn't exist. The federal government itself has acknowledged this fact in the annual budget by not paying the financial rights of Sarawak. The federal government cannot pay the financial rights to Sarawak, simply because Sarawak does not exist from 1969 to 2012, by virtue of emergency law. Therefore, any money given to Sarawak at the time, only given at the fancy and mercy of the federal government, whenever and however they want it to be, regardless of the constitution.